Good morning, student. So today we will talk about usage of, or you can say application of microorganisms in commercial usage. So far we talked about making of bread and curd, and these are some we can say use we have talked about usage or application we have talked about in the last lecture. Let's talk about commercial use and medicinal use today. So in commercial use, microbes such like yeast are used in the preparation of alcohol from sugars. Like first, there is a process known as fermentation. So you must understand what is fermentation. It is an anaerobic respiration, which means what? When human beings respire, they do aerobically. Let me just tell you about respiration. We eat food which get digested and becomes glucose. Like for example, the food which we eat, it get digested and becomes glucose. Then the oxygen we breathe in is used for breaking down glucose into carbon dioxide, water and energy. This is called aerobic respiration. Normally all human beings, all organisms respire aerobically. Whatever the food which we have, the stored food, the glucose and the oxygen which we breathe in. Why we require oxygen? Because oxygen is used in respiration. This reaction is known as respiration reaction. This oxygen breaks down this glucose into carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. This energy which we used for talking, walking, okay, everything. It is stored in terms of ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. You might have heard about it as an energy currency of cell. But bacteria, they respire inaerobically like fungi. What they do, the glucose which is present, they don't take oxygen, they directly break this into without oxygen, in absence of oxygen. In absence of oxygen into alcohol and carbon dioxide. You can see, and alcohol is produced. Alcohol, it is incomplete breakdown. You are going to learn this in 9th standard or 10th standard. This is also respiration done by bacteria, yeast. But this is called anaerobic respiration or fermentation. Fermentation is a slow process. So this glucose is break down by bacteria. It is not break down completely into carbon dioxide, and here is also energy is produced, but less amount of energy is produced. So this process is known as fermentation. By this process, alcohol is prepared, but the use of bacteria or fungi, yeast. So this is breakdown into alcohol by bacteria. So we can use this bacteria or yeast for the production of alcohol. Okay, I hope you understood. If not, then this topic will come in 9th and 10th standard. Respiration is a process by which glucose is break down with the help of oxygen to give carbon dioxide, water and energy. This is called aerobic respiration because oxygen, air is used. In case of, we can say, bacteria, fungi, they don't respire aerobically, they respire anaerobically. So this bacteria break down into alcohol and carbon dioxide. So in this way alcohol is produced by them, and we can use this bacteria for the production of alcohol and commercial use. I hope you understood. Okay. So we can say what are the uses of yeast? Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and for the wine can be prepared from it. Wine. Yeast is grown on natural sugar like wheat, barley, then fruits, etc. So this wheat, barley, they have carbohydrates. Ultimately glucose is present. Any carbohydrate, if you take potato also, okay, these are carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are we can say have a high amount of glucose. Grape is also we can say glucose fruit, sugarcane juice, these all are having high amount of carbohydrate. Ultimately they have sugar, and this sugar is converted into alcohol by yeast bacteria. So this fermentation process, what happened in fermentation process, which is known as anaerobic respiration, there is a glucose or sugar molecules. Ultimately they get converted into alcohol by bacteria or yeast, fungi, and this conversion is known as fermentation, and this occur by the bacteria or yeast. Okay, then this fermentation process is first discovered by Louis Pasteur. Actually this was always occurring, but scientists came to know that fermentation is done by bacteria. So this Louis Pasteur was the first scientist who discovered that fermentation is a process occurred by bacteria, and we can use this bacteria for the we can say an industrial process. Okay, so in this way alcohol is prepared, and that process is known as fermentation. It is a slow process. Okay, now let's talk about medicinal use. I hope you understood about the commercial production of alcohol by yeast. So in medicine